Hey guys, Scarlett at Build Across, and I have this super cute turkey cutout today. It is a paint by line, which means the lines are etched into the cutout for you, and I'll be painting it with Dixie Belle chalk paint. You can purchase the paint, the cutout, and the brushes I use on buildacross.com. I've gone in first and base coated his face in the color putty, followed by rustic red for the gobbler and his hat, and then I did his mouth in terracotta, and I'm just going in now and filling in his hat with black. After that, I'm going to let everything dry completely. Once my cutout is dried, I'm going in with a Sharpie brushstroke marker to outline everything. Just following the lines that are etched into the cutout for me makes this super easy. I'm also going to use the Sharpie marker to go in and fill in his mouth. And then once I'm done outlining him, I'm going to go in with a number 4 round in the color fluff or cotton. I've been using fluff here lately just to kind of mix it up, but cotton is Dixie Belle's White is White. And I'm going to highlight everything just to kind of soften it up and finish the look. I hope you guys enjoy this video and have a wonderful day.